Alright YouTube, I just had this show up in the mail, which is the new starter relay for my jet ski. I did get the relay that I ordered as a replacement today, but I decided to take it out with a tractor relay on it just to show you guys that it would work. Hopefully tuning turns into a ride, but who knows, I haven't had very good luck lately. I've made too many changes to even remember all of them that I've done since the last time I've ridden it, but I put the surf braces on. I have a tractor relay on there. I rebuilt the carb. I built a piece off camera for the steering linkage. So now my steering is straight and it's tightened up. Speaking of steering, I also made a video about modifying the steering so it wasn't so loose. And so yeah, a whole bunch of stuff that I've modified / improved. And so potentially a whole lot of things to go wrong. Potentially everything might go right. When I get there, I'm going to try tuning it on the back of the truck. I'm going to try adjusting the carbs. It's 4:45 and I'm about 20 minutes away. I haven't eaten anything today, so I just stopped at a gas station and bought a sandwich. I have arrived at the lake. Ooh. And it looks like I might get to do some on-truck tuning. Oh boy, it's deeper than I thought. It might be working a little bit better, but yeah, there's more than just carburetor tuning issues going on. I think part of it has to do with the fact that the engine is modified and yeah, the pipe doesn't match the porting. I think maybe this thing was jetted too big all along, but I'm gonna take it out, try it, and see what happens. These people have me running a rescue mission on a pink flamingo, so yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to actually get it, but make sure my seat's actually fastened before I head out. Jeez. I tell you what, when it starts going, it pulls pretty hard. I don't know if I have a baggie to put my phone in there so I can do a speed check, but it feels like it's boogieing right along. There's my tractor relay, still hanging in there. Actually, I only need to check one of them. It's got a single carb, so I'll pull the front one out, see what color it is. I don't know, she's cleaning up some. Starting to look better. I think what I'm going to do is crank my low speed in all the way and leave the high speed where it is, maybe turn it out just a bit to be on the safe side, and then actually get some riding done. Low speed just out a crack, high speed 1/2, high speed out 1 turn. See what that does. Let's do this. Jacob from the Jet Ski Brothers was saying that these are kind of hard to work on, and I kind of have to agree with him now. Let's see. On the way back, when I turned around to come back, it did that whole thing where it felt like it was dying. I basically had to nurse the throttle to get it to come back to life. Just turned the main out to 1.5. I expect it to be too rich, but basically just trying to establish a starting point. If I know it's too rich, then I can gradually turn it in. But as of now, I'm not really sure. Oh, it's such a horrible place to fish. Like, people who are trying to leave or come in with boats have to avoid your line. Never a dull moment. It's hard enough to drive this stupid thing when everything's working right. When it starts to die, One half, 3/4. think I finally figured it out. I think I finally got it basically sorted out. Turns out that all the modifications that I did, for some reason, made it want a lot less fuel. And I actually had a question from Josh from Jet Ski Brothers the other day about changing jetting when he changed a pipe. And yeah, because of the way the air flows through the engine and the demands of the engine, basically it's not as straightforward as a lot of people make it seem. And a lot of the time when you do modifications, instead of jetting up, you might have to jet down. So anyway, what I ended up doing, I have the low speed completely closed. Before it was out about 3/4 of a turn, if I remember correctly. So before I modified it last year, and it worked fairly good then, but it had about 3/4 of a turn on the low speed and about, I think, a turn and a quarter or a turn and a half on the high speed. And right now I'm running about 3/4 of a turn on the high speed, and the low speed is all the way closed. So anyway, it's working. It's working. It's actually working. Alright YouTube, I know you can't see, but I'm running a speed app. I'm gonna go do a speed check on this thing and see what it'll do. Alright, I'm gonna go a couple kilometers down to the bridge and then stop there and check, see what the speed was. Apparently it's still a little bit rich down low based on the way it started. See if I can do this without losing everything in the water here. Max speed 41. That must be kilometers. Average 19.